Hi, today we will see how to create the date truncate function in Tableau. So for that we have to create first one calculation field, and I will name the title as a date and the type date. So there is one date trunc function DATETRUNC. So as you can see here, the syntax of this function consists of two inputs. One is date part and second is date. So I will use date part as a quarter, and I'll take the date as the order date. So our formula is good to go. So what this function does, so we are now want to see that we first click on apply, then okay. So first take the order date field and drop it onto the row cell, and then click here on this plus mark, and then again. Now we can see here the our data has been set. It is showing first is year, then quarter, then month. Then after that, take the date truncate field that we have just created and drop it onto the text. And then click on drop down and select the exact date. So now we can see here the all the dates which comes under the January, February and the March. So that has been changed to the 1/1/2014. So which is so as we can see, our date truncate function that we have created, I use the date part function as a quarter. So the all the date which comes under the quarter one, that changed. So for example, in the quarter one, the months comes under the quarter one is January, February and March. So all the dates which comes under these 3 months, January, February and March, has will be changed to the 1/1/2014 according to the year. So uh, so this is how we can use the date truncate function in Tableau to manipulate our date according to the date part, which could be quarter or month or day. So this is how we can use the date truncate function. Thank you.